Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be trying out these M&S 6 all butter triple Belgian chocolate cookies. They cooks in 20 minutes and contains 6 servings. Now I have tried M&S cookies, the one they bake in store. I presume this is the same thing, but I don't know. And what I do know is their in-store baked cookies are very, very nice indeed. Certainly the triple chocolate. So let's get baking. Well, they look very nice even in the dough form. So yeah, let's get them in and get baking. So these are fresh out of the oven, and as you can see, they're looking pretty good. Obviously very soft at the moment, which is expected, so I'm going to leave them to cool down and then I'm going to try them out. So yeah, I don't know if they're let's have a look. I don't think they're burnt. Let's have a look. Yeah, I don't know. I suppose the proof is in the taste. So give them about 5 minutes to cool down and I'll have a little taste. So I've given them time to cool down now and they are hard. So let's give them a taste test. Here we go. They do look nice. Right. Well, it's definitely tasty. That white chocolate hitting the taste buds there. Wow, very, very tasty indeed. I wasn't getting any burnt taste from the cookie, which is good. Yeah. Do I prefer these to the in-store baked ones? I don't know. I think I prefer the in-store baked ones. I think I could have maybe done these better. Maybe they did need less time in the oven, possibly. Let's remind ourselves, that's the picture. So they are sort of small. They look smaller compared to the baked cookies in store, the ones on the box. But yeah, they don't look like the picture, that much is true. The bottom looks better than the top, so I imagine I need to adjust either the temperature or time on the cookies if I were to do them again. But there we go. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. All right, thank you so much. Bye-bye.